How's it going, everyone? So happy to have you join me. Welcome back to another episode of my trip to Thailand to study Muay Thai. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different than before. So in Thailand, I'm sure this happens all over the country, is that they have a lot of outdoor markets. Now, in the neighborhood that I was staying at to study Muay Thai, this place is called San Kamphaeng. And on Saturdays, they have a market where they take the main road that goes through the town, and everyone comes out with their own little stalls, and the whole street is completely covered with shops and street foods, and it's every single Saturday. So if you want to go out and have that experience of just going to different places to eat and having all this food, and it's even cheaper than the restaurants, and Saturday is the day you're gonna have bookmarked if you end up going to Santai Muay Thai. Now, they do this on Saturdays, and in Sundays in the main city, Chiang Mai, that's when they have their market. So if you want to have two markets in one weekend, you would do Saturday San Kamphaeng, Sunday Chiang Mai. And I ended up going to the market with a buddy of mine that I met in class, and it was pretty dope. It was his first time checking out the market and my first time as well. So what was also pretty dope about this was that he never had any juices in Thailand or tried the coconuts. And if you go to Thailand, the fruit in Thailand is out of this world. And I'm not a fruit guy. I'm not really into I don't give an apple, whatever. But out there, bro, the pineapples are crazy. The orange juice is insane. The coconuts are wild. So if you're going out there, and you can just pig on that shit as much as you want, and it's mad fucking cheap. And on top of that, they put like a little bit of a seasoning, like a salt chili seasoning on the fruits that you can, if you want to add it, and I recommend it, and it makes the oh man, I miss that flavor, bro. I want to go back. So I hope you guys can enjoy the show. Let's get into it. Yeah, so this place is absolutely loaded with stuff to eat. So if you're coming out here, make sure you come with an appetite. It's going to be mad cheap, but it's not going to take much to fill you up. I recommend coming here to get juices. I don't know about the sushi. Trying street food sushi is a little bit rough, but I have seen down the road, there's a guy that sells salmon, and he sells it very, very cheap. You know, you want to try your luck with that, and the guy is pretty hygienic. All my friends that ate there ended up completely fine. None of them got food poisoning, but that's going to be up to you. Ooh, garlic butter bread. 12, how much?
I don't know.
12 baht. Did he say 12 baht? That's insane.
I want to know what this is.
Yo, what an adventure. Oh, dude. Yo, can we go in the bounce house, bro? We also have a bounce house, though no adults are going in. It's strictly for kids, so unfortunately you can't go in there if you're my size. I don't know, man. I think what we could do is if we got enough people from class, and we went in there and we just kind of sized up the kids and we just beat the shit out of them. If we got like 10 Muay Thai students and just jumped in there, I'm sure we can absolutely dominate that place. So has anything popped into mind? I am paralyzed by choice. Tell me you haven't at least tried the coconut. No.
How is it different?
Well, it's mad delicious. That's all I'm gonna say. And it's 50 baht.
Hey, alright, that's
It's 50 baht and it's mad fucking delicious. What is that?
So when they pour it, I'm not fucking.
Dude, right now, so let me check my money. You know what I mean?
I want to see how far this goes. I just want to see everything, and then I'll make a decision.
I think I hit my monthly limit of withdrawals,
okay.
So I think next week I can start spending money frivolously.
Okay.
First thing, I'm re-upping on shrooms.
Good.
How much is it?
10 baht.
I'm gonna go try that. What do you recommend?
What are these? Oh, there's chicken, chicken meat, chicken heart. That's no. That's a big no. I will go with the chicken meat. See, what is this? Alright, so which one am I grabbing?
I would grab
Is it this one? This one?
Try it. What is it?
Tangy.
Is it good?
Yeah. I don't think it's meat though. But I'll say, you know what? I'll take it.
Take that one.
Yeah? Oh shit, hold up. There you go. Oh, no, it's a chicken meat. Yeah. That's tender.
That's good.
That's fire.
So I think this is chicken fat, and I think that's chicken meat.
This is where I get my SIM cards.
On the subject of SIM cards, by the way, yeah, that's where I would recommend you go to handle your SIM card needs. I don't know if you can get one that's longer than 1 month. The store that I stayed at, that I visited, they only offered a 1 month and a 2 month option. And they were kind of weird with how the whole process was. Sometimes you had to resupply your SIM card. Sometimes you had to buy an entirely different SIM card. So it was just kind of strange. I do recall when I stepped out of the plane that someone did offer a SIM card that could last me 6 months, and I didn't take it because I was like, no, I'm just gonna get like a 1 month one because I thought I was gonna be leaving Thailand halfway through to go visit a different country. But yeah, and if you when you get to the store to get a SIM card, the day you go get it, you need your passport. So don't forget that you need to bring your passport. But that's the one that I went to, and it's on the main road. If you're going to be going to Santai, that's probably the spot that you're going to be going to. You can also get them at 7-Elevens and gas stations, convenience stores, and whatnot. But I don't know, I just went to the cell phone store because they did it all for me right there. So they made it pretty idiot proof, and I'm all about that idiot proof.
Whoa. Damn, you want one of those?
Just looking for
Let's grab. What do we do? Hello.
Sawadee ka.
Sawadee.
So if you want one, so you take it and then you put it here, and then you can take as many as you want.
Okay, so can I get 2 of that one? Which other ones did you were into?
I'm gonna try.
Of these? Yes, just one. And one of these. Yeah.
40 baht.
40 baht.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับ Oh shit. Woo. Ooh. Spicy. Ooh. On a hot night. Yeah, hot food on a hot night. So different than back home, man. Something like this. So foreign. I was also talking about communal gatherings like this. You know? We have to leave our country though. You know? But this place is so like... Alright guys, we're gonna shut down the main street every Saturday. And we're gonna open up a market. And the way how they open and close, so quick. When it's time to leave, they're gone. They are gone. You want another? Which one do you want?
How about this? If I eat another, I'm gonna get you something else.
Facts. Let's do that. We got. What did you have red meat last time?
I had the white meat.
We got red meat. We got hot dogs.
Which one do you want?
I'll take the red meat. This has got basil. Oh, you guys got basil on it too. Yeah.
This one's the one you want? Or?
No, take that one. Take that one. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, this was a mistake. And camera one hand, food other. Woo! Oh, thank you.
Wow. I'll just get a hot dog.
Hot dog, man. Hey, look who it is. Welcome, welcome. Away. What's up, guys? How are you? Oh, I'm recording. Yeah. Like this. Oh, you want some sushi? You want to take a risk? So it's like when I was in China, they fed it to me and they didn't tell me. And I'm kind of a hypochondriac, so anything weird that I see, I think that I'm dying. So I go and use the restroom, and all of a sudden everything that comes out is purple. And I'm like, what the fuck? They thought it was funny.
I think I'm gonna get one of these things.
What is that?
I don't know, but it looks good.
I don't know, but it looks good. I want to follow your stomach, bro.
So I'm gonna get one of these, put it in my bag, and then I'll eat it later.
Story. You have now the skewers of destiny. Would you like to sit down?
Yeah.
Let's do it. We got trash cans. I'm going to assume. Oh, this is not a fresh pack of cigarettes for me. But someone did forget something.
You want me to go get some rice?
I'm chill with this. I can't eat rice anyway.
Oh, you can? Okay.
Yeah, I gotta drop carbs. You cool if I record a seat?
I have a 10-hour flight to Hawaii. And then from Hawaii, I'll probably be there for a week. Staying with some friends.
Yeah, they serve the food to us in bags. My buddy here came up with the ultimate technique of how to eat this bag food, and if you just watch his method, I think I captured it. I'm not sure, but it's kind of rough trying to eat a soupy meal out of a bag. He's just kind of got a drink from it. Oh, there you go, you see? He figured it out. But the food was good.
Hey, wait, have you had the orange juice here?
No, is it good?
We're doing this. Hello. How much for two? For 35?
Only 135.
Two? Please.
3 more 100.
Take a whiff, a drink, a sip. So good. That's so fucking good. That's what an orange is supposed to taste like, yes. Oh my god. Comes in a nice little flask.
Oh my god.
Now all we need is a coconut. Then that revitalizes. Wow.
That was,
Is that coconut? Is that coconut? How much?
25.
25? I'm gonna get you some coconut. Oh shit.
two.
20.
I'll get the coconut.
Alright.
Yeah. Kapuka.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the last one. Oh, we better make it quick. Battery's about to die. You gotta take this.
I got it.
Hold up, dude. I got 2% battery here. There's only one time that you try coconut for the first time. Yeah. Try the refreshing, delicious Thai coconut. Yeah.
So sweet.
Yeah, right. That ain't coconut like in the States. Coconut like that is like 20 bucks for a drink like that. Yeah. That's how I was getting fat after.
So refreshing.
Yeah, after training, I would down one of those bad boys. Just so much sugar.
So good.
And then after that, we got a bunch of juices, but it was they weren't as good as the orange juice or the coconut juice. They were alright, but the orange juice and the coconut juice, that's the most important shit here in Thailand. Then after that, we just headed home and we just had some important conversations as we walked back.
Oh boy, it's all good, bro. That's quite skillful. You're able to fart while walking.
Yeah.
That's quite impressive. I don't do that anymore, not since the accident. We don't talk about that day.
And I got back just in the nick of time. It ended up raining, so that was a very fortunate, perfectly timed night. Well, guys, I hope you were able to enjoy this week's episode. Next week's episode, we're going to get back to another day of training in Santai, and I hope to see you guys there. Hey, I'd appreciate if you like what you've seen, I would appreciate a sub, a like, a comment, any feedback. That would greatly help me on my YouTube journey. And I'll catch you guys in next week's episode.